All right, this is how to read a diagram, a wiring diagram. So here we have a wiring diagram. So let's go through how to start reading it. Okay, so first we have our actives. Active is the lives Y coming in. So we're going to follow it, and it's usually this ladder diagram. So these usually active and neutralize. And then we have our loads. Yeah, so we have our loads. Yeah, let's get rid of these guys. It's kind of wrong. It's our loads. Light 1, light 2, light 1, light 2, light 3. And 2 switches. Switch 1, switch 2. All right, let's follow it. Active coming in, still active. And it's open. That switch is now open. If we want to close it, let's close the switch. And the switch. So now the power can keep going through. Now we've got a little junction here. We've got a little junction here. It can either, so the power can keep going through, and it also comes down this way and this way to the light. And that light gets power. So these lights are still. We've got light 3 that's on because this switch is closed. Cool. Now let's close this switch. This switch. Now that switch is closed, so the power can now flow through again. And we've got another junction here. So the same thing as this slide, the power goes to this light, and then the power goes to this light easy. And then these lights turn on. So now we've got all 3 lights on. And that's it. So after that, loads need neutrals to actually get powers, and then after the load, it goes to neutral. If we switch if we switch this switch off, so we open it up again, okay, let's do that. Oh, yeah, if we switch, okay, this switch back open, then that's gone, and then nothing else gets power. So all these lights turn back off. Off. That's it. And then if it's on, and this one is, stay with me, is off or open, then which light has power? Or which lights will have power? Yeah, just this one. That's it. So these switches are in series with each other to control the load. And then these 2 lights are in parallel with each other, so they get the same amount of electricity flow. All this light is on its own controlled by that singular switch. So anytime you have a ladder diagram following electricity, just follow from left to right and see where the path takes you. You go here, got a switch,
And
you have 1 light, 2 light, 3 light, 2 neutral, 2 neutral, 2 neutral. Oh, then you can have another one here of the same actives. And then you can have another switch. You can make this one a 2-way switch, like our other video, which then powers another light and goes to neutral. Switches go like that. And that's a 2-way switch. So yeah, you just follow the path, left, that stops, no light on. Same thing here, if it was closed, all 3 lights would be on.
yeah.
How to read a wire diagram.